because Aspen busted it. He was like, "Yay, I'm gonna bust it!" Wow.
It's probably a combination of the two of you.
Yeah. So I'm gonna karate chop it open. I hope this works.
Do about the ball.
It doesn't work.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, today we're going to review the Lightspeed. This was highly recommended on a few sites and on Amazon and stuff like that.
Amazon.
I chose this because it's not PVC. It's a different material that's supposed to be more durable. Come over here by me, Jaden.
Yeah.
And it's a lower profile bed. I don't really like the big high poofy profile beds.
Poofy? I like poofy beds.
And this is one of the few that's like a nice low profile and easy to store bed. Oh, we got more stuff to open up here. We got more tape. Everybody wants to see. Alright, can we open up this side now? Oh, more cutting. More cutting, more tape. Okay, so I forget what this material is called. It's like TP something. Kids, you're all over the place. Just says PVC-Free on here.
I guess we don't even have to put it together.
No, we don't. I guess what they were saying about this bag too is that it actually fits in the bag once you're done using it, because some of them it's like you try to fold it up real good and it still doesn't fit very well. But this one's supposed to be better. And we can be lazy with this one. The one that we had before, we had a manual pump. I guess we could have bought a electric pump, but this one just came with it, so we're all set up there.
Electric pump?
Yeah, you just plug it in and it goes brrrr, and then it pulls a little compartment in here. That's where the motor is. Oh, this thing is battery operated. I thought it plugged in. Well, good thing I think we actually have some D batteries. It looks like it takes D batteries, so let me check that out. Yep.
Yeah, I remember when you watched the review, the guy had extra batteries with him.
But I thought maybe it had an option to plug it in too.
We have a lot of D batteries.
Alright, we'll see about this. Okay, we got a whole bunch of D batteries. I guess the wife likes to keep really stocked up on those. Hopefully,
it was because we had a lot of baby strollers and stuff.
Oh, that's it. Okay.
Years ago, and that's why we still have them.
Hopefully they all work and stuff. Okay, let me see here. Ooh, I feel the air. You feel the air? Okay, I think it's working. Okay, I think we gotta put, okay, don't just be grabbing stuff here. I think we gotta put a nozzle on there. Maybe this size nozzle? Okay, let's try that. Okay, so you got, there's a little switch down here. You want to flip it?
Watching this, baby!
Okay, don't pull it away from the pump. Thanks for helping. Okay, so what we like to do sometimes is do what we call slumber party night, where Jaden and I sleep out in the living room, or like camp out in the living room and eat snacks and watch movies and stuff. So that's what we're going to do tonight. Is that exciting? Okay, this seems to be taking a little bit of time here. I wonder if the batteries were charged enough. We'll see what it does. Okay, I think I got some decent batteries. It seems like it's doing something now. It's pretty comfy. I like it. I like it. I like the feel of it with these little like dips and stuff. It feels a little bit more like you stay on it better than our last Air Mattress. The last Air Mattress felt like you could just like slide off the top. And I like the feel of the top of it. It feels good. And it's got a pillow area back here. And I really like how these seams are thick. They're like more than a half an inch thick. So I think it could be pretty durable that way. Seems like a good air mattress. Oh, it feels good. It said no pets on the bed. It said no pets. Jaden, do you want to come lay on the bed?
Sure.
Remember, no jumping on it.
Yeah.
Otherwise it'll be broken like our last Air Mattress. Computer boy.
Then we have a mattress. Then we have to buy a mattress again.
Yeah, nobody wants to do that.
No.
I'm on it.
Is this cozy?
Mama, no pets on the bed. No.
Don't yell at him. He doesn't have claws, so it's okay.
I want to go on the daddy boat. No pets on it.
This will be great for camping.
Yeah.
And for, no, we're not horsing around on the thing. So how would you rate this Air Mattress?
Is low good?
Low is usually bad. High is good.
Hi!
You haven't laid down on it fully. You gotta lay your head down. You're very bouncy. You're very wiggly too. It's a queen size. Too.
What? Cannibal!
A queen size is a normal size mattress.
Cannibal! What's a giant? What about a giant size?
I think the biggest consumer size is like the California King.
California King!
We don't have a California King one though. We don't even have a California King on our bed.
Someone's going to eat this. It would be so big. And we could like fit 100 people on it.
YouTube, this is a good air mattress so far. We're gonna
See how long it lasts.
We're gonna have a little sleep out on it tonight,
Yeah.
and we'll let you know what we think in the morning.
Yeah.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Good morning.
Hi.
Hi. What?
Hi, Jaden.
What?
Did you enjoy your sleep on the new air mattress?
Yeah.
You did? Is it a good air mattress? It's pretty comfy and cozy.
Yeah.
I was gonna sleep on it last night, but you kids took it over, and I slept on the couch.
Sorry, Dada.
That's okay. So, I would say so far this is a pretty good air mattress. We'll see how it holds up.
Hey, Dinky.
And then there's little Aspen.
And I wish this.
Are you gonna come be in the video?
I wish this lasts like 19 years.
That'd be cool.
Yeah.
I think our last one lasted like 9 years.
9 years?
Maybe. I don't think they need to know that.
Oh, yeah.
So thank you for watching our review of this air mattress.
Yeah.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe!